Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here because tomorrow many people around the world are celebrating Diwali. I thought I would read a special book. And if you're celebrating Diwali as well, then happy Diwali to you and your family, and I hope you have a lovely time. So the book which I will read today, it is called Peppa's Diwali. If you have the book, go and grab it and let's read it together. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Peppa Pig, Peppa's Diwali. At Playground, Madame Gazelle is telling the children about Diwali, the festival of light. They are all drawing pictures. Now you all have a picture to take home to your parents, she says. The next day, Peppa and George wake up to sounds in the kitchen. We're celebrating Diwali, says Mommy Pig. Peppa blinks at the bright kitchen light. Everybody's up early for the festival. Mommy and Daddy Pig are busy cooking. They are getting ready for the party. Later on, Granny and Grandpa Pig arrive with presents and clothes for the children. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George, says Granny Pig. Are you excited about Diwali? All over the world, families are coming together, says Grandpa Pig. This year, we wanted to join in too. Auntie and Uncle Pig ring the doorbell. The whole family has come to stay. Hello, Chloe, says Peppa. Hello, baby Alexander. Mommy Pig frowns. I hope we have got enough food. I'll peel some more potatoes, says Daddy Pig. Everyone gets changed into their special outfits from Granny and Grandpa Pig. Even baby Alexander is dressed for the occasion. Wow, says Peppa. Everybody looks so beautiful. Now we are all ready, says Mommy Pig. It's time to light the candles. They are called diyas. Oh, says Peppa. Is this someone's birthday? No, Peppa. Granny Pig chuckles. Diwali is a celebration of light. The diyas bring us good luck, says Grandpa Pig. Diyas shine all around the house. Peppa and her family start to eat. What a feast, says Uncle Pig. Would you like seconds? Asks Mommy Pig. Uncle Pig asks Daddy Pig to pass him a potato, but Daddy Pig has gone outside. Daddy Pig is watching the fireworks. Pop, pop, pop. Happy Diwali, everyone, he cries. Ooh, ooh. Happy Diwali, they all say back. Peppa loves Diwali. Everyone loves Diwali. Ah. The end. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to check out all the other books with Peppa. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.